LoopCLEAN Auto provides breakthrough levels of automation for laser cleaning using Loop Technology's RealPATH solution. The system scans the workpiece and automatically generates precise robotic pathways via a point cloud. This is a no-code robotic laser cleaning system that removes the previous need for CAD models, manual offline programming, and time-consuming reverse engineering. The result is a much higher level of automation and greater speed and efficiency in laser cleaning. Applications include cleaning industrial molds, eliminating grease and oxide layers prior to welding, removing rust, paint, and material containing asbestos, as well as nuclear decommissioning and decontamination. Laser cleaning does not use harmful chemicals or solvents and significantly reduces energy consumption in the long term when compared to traditional abrasive methods.